Hi everyone, myself Tanu Sharma. Welcome to our Human Anatomy series. In today's video, we are dividing into the fascinating world of the human body, its structure, its organization, and why understanding anatomy is the first step to mastering medicine. So, what is human anatomy? Human anatomy is the scientific study of the structure of the human body, from bones to muscles, from organs to cells. It tells us how we are built and how every part connects to other. So, what are the branches of anatomy? So, there are the several branches of the anatomy. First one is gross anatomy, which is on focus on large visible structures like bones and organs. Then microscopic anatomy, also called histology, studies tissues and cells using a microscope. Then development anatomy or embryology explores how the body forms from a single cell to a full baby. Then comparative anatomy compares human structure with animals. Then surface anatomy, landmarks on the body surface. Next, why is anatomy important? Why? So, why should you study anatomy? It is the foundation of all medical knowledge. Whether you are a doctor, nurse, physiotherapist, or biologist, understanding the structure of the body helps in diagnosing diseases, performing surgeries, and saving lives. Next, now levels of body organization. Our body is built like a well-structured building. First, there's the chemical level like atoms and molecules. Next, cellular level, cells, the basic structure and functional units. Then tissue level, group of similar cells which is in four types: epithelial, connective, muscular and nervous. Then organ levels, there would be two or more tissues from form organs, example heart, liver. Then system level, organs working together like respiratory system. And then organism level, completely like living being. Then anatomical terminology. So basically, to describe the body clearly, we use specific terms like superior means above, inferior means below, anterior is the front, posterior is the back, medial means towards the center, lateral means to the side. You can refer all the images in the video. Then body system review. We have systems in our body, basically skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system, endocrine, cardiovascular, respiratory, digestive, urinary, reproductive, integumentary, lymphatic, which we learn in more classes. Then cavities and the membrane. There would be two body cavities, which is dorsal cavity and the ventral cavity. Dorsal cavity, which is like cranial and ventral cavity, thoracic, which contains lungs and hearts, and abdominopelvic, which contains digestive and reproductive. And last, membranes, serous membranes like pleura, which consists lungs, pericardium, which consists heart, peritoneum, which consists abdominal organs. Then basic histology, tissue types. There would be four tissues. First one is epithelial tissue, which covers body surface, lines, cavities. Then second, connective tissue, which supports and binds bone, fat and blood. Third one is muscle tissue, which helps in the movements like skeletal, cardiac and smooth. And last one is nervous tissue, which helps in the transmit. Introduction to the skeletal system. There would be 206 bones in our adult body, which helps in support, movement, protection and blood production. There would be a further classification of skeletal system, which is in long bone, short bone, flat bone, irregular bone and systematic bone. Then muscular system. Basically, there would be three types of muscles like skeletal, cardiac, smooth muscle. Skeletal is voluntary and striated. Then cardiac, involuntary, which is present in heart only. And then smooth, involuntary, which is present in walls of organs. And basically the function is contraction, movement and heat generation. Then nervous system introduction. So basically nervous system, which is divided into two parts, CNS and PNS. CNS is brain and spinal cord and PNS is nerves. And third one is neuron, which is a structural unit. Now the clinical relevances or the human anatomy. Human anatomy in surgery, diagnosis, physiotherapy, sport medicine. Then we can do the medical imaging like X-ray, MRI, CT scan, ultrasound, which helps in modern medicines uses anatomy with imaging tools like X-rays for bones, CT scans for structures and MRI for the soft tissues and ultrasound for organs in motions. So today we covered what human anatomy is, its branches, and how it plays a vital role in medicine. This is just the beginning of your anatomy journey. So stay curious, stay constant, and keep exploring the human body. Like this video, subscribe for more, and comment below if you have questions or want a specific topic next.